Welcome back to Jay's Reptile World, everyone. Here we have another special little animal to show everyone. We have a freckled monitor from Eastern Australia. This is a small monitor species. This is actually called a freckled monitor. There's actually two different subspecies in Australia. There's a black-headed monitor, which is Varanus tristis, and this is the freckled monitor, which is Varanus tristis orientalis. You can see the pattern there on its back is actually, you can see where Aboriginals get the inspiration for their rock art paintings. She's quite an aggressive little female, this one. So the tristis orientalis is actually found in the eastern and northern parts of Australia, and the black-headed form is found over the southern and the western parts. It's a beautiful little species, gets to about 75 centimetres long. This female is about 45 centimetres. Most of the ones we find are around this size. See what a beautiful little species it is. Found over most of the Australian continent, but very seldom seen. They're very secretive, very alert and wary animals. Highly intelligent. Got to be really honed in to find this species in the wild. You can just see how beautiful that pattern is. Very alert eye. Really high-strung species, this. This is actually a female. You can see the little spurs there behind at the base of the tail. The male spurs will be about 3 times that size. So that's the easiest way to sex this species, is from the spurs at the base of the tail. So, one of the most beautiful species in Australia. Really common, but very rarely seen. So we thought we'd film this one here because we've got a pretty face wallaby straight behind us, watching our every move. This is just in our backyard. We can get within a metre of the wallabies. So, as always, if you respect and understand wildlife, you can always live in harmony with it. So, see what a magnificent species it is. Incredible colour and pattern. Inspiration for Aboriginal rock art, that. A lot of their bark paintings have that pattern on it, so you can see where they get the inspiration for their paintings. If you know where to look in the wild, you can see where they get the inspiration from. Incredible animal. One of the most alert animals in the Australian bush, this species. See how active she is. She's ready to go. We see a few of these each year, so quite common on our property. See the tail there, it's quite spiky. Yet most of the time this species is found on dead standing trees. So any dead timber with hollows is the best place to find this species. Most of the ones I find have a live shrub growing around them, and that protects the animal from birds swooping down and taking it from its sunning position. So they're very intelligent, they know exactly where to live in the wild to be protected. Very alert, they'll see you coming miles away. That's why they're very hard to come across. Even harder to catch. It'll be really good at stalking to get close to this species, let alone catch it. This female actually looks gravid, she's quite a good weight on her. So it's quite late in spring, so if she is gravid she'll be ready to lay. So we'll be letting her go this afternoon, so she can go and find an egg laying site. So, well, that's it, that's your freckled monitor. Beautiful species in Australia. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll be showing you many more special animals from Australia this summer. Thanks, and see you next time.